Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jesus. Happy birthday. Hey, I couldn't hear you guys. Can you sing the next one a little bit louder?
Happy birthday to you.
And the angel said unto them, Fear not, for behold, I bring you good tidings of great joy,
Pay attention
which
to
shall
Grandma.
be
There's a
to
test
all
after this.
people. Grandpa was supposed to do that.
And may all live happily ever after.
Hey, Grandma.
Okay, who wants presents?
Me.
Oh, who's going to be my helper?
Me.
Okay.
Grandma.
Cameron.
Okay.
Funny how we participate.
Tell me what you want. Grandma, get it for you. That's it.
Princess, that's not food, that's a baby. She's like, what's so interesting?
Give me a great big smile. Yeah, big one. Your smile. Yeah.